Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY, I will be working with two of these clear bowls from Dollar Tree. Now a couple of DIYs ago, I did use some bowls to make ornaments, and I was wishing that Dollar Tree had some of these in clear. They did have blue clear, but they didn't have the clear. So I went back and luckily I found the clear ones. And again, I want to do another large ornament, but this time I want to add like a little village or something on the inside. So I went and looked through the ornaments that Dollar Tree had, and I found a few. I found this church. I think that'll be cute in there. I found this angel, and it actually lights up. But we won't be lighting the angel up because the battery will die. I found this tree. The tree lights up as well. But we won't be lighting it up. But I think the snowman is too big. And I also found these trees. And I think I'll use one of these trees as well. Just to build like a little, like a little village, a little scenery on the inside. So before we do anything, I want to go ahead and remove the labels. This is going to be the bottom. I think I'll use one of the smaller trees from here. Alright, so let me grab my glue gun and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's get started. This is going to be the base. This is going to be the top. And as you guys know, I did remove that. I removed that piece of greenery and replaced it with some silver tinsel. Maybe I use about 2 pieces. And now I'll take a rhinestone and put it right in the center. Now they give it a blingier look. Okay, now I want to snip this little hook off the top. And I also want my church to sit up higher. Sorry guys, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I took some hot glue and glued my church here, and it's still drying. I glued my angel here, I glued this tree here, and then I glued this one down. So now I'll let the hot glue set up and then come back. Okay guys, it has been about an hour, so everything is set in place. So the very next thing I want to do is add some snow. And I want to make sure that the snow is high enough to cover the diamonds that I glued to the bottom of the church. So here's the snow that I'll be using. It's called Frosty Snow. So I'm going to go ahead and put some in the bottom. Just kind of move it around. Okay, I think that's more than enough. So the next thing I want to do is go ahead and glue this on top, just like so. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue and put it right around the top and then glue both pieces together. Now I also have this Dollar Tree bell ornament that I'm going to glue on top. Okay, so I'm going to let the glue set up and then I'll come back and move on to the next step. Okay everyone, I'm back, and as you can see, this is glued together and this is glued on. Now, we have this connection here. I won't put any decoration around where it connects because I don't want to interfere with the seam. So what I'll do is add some decorations around the top. This little thing from Dollar Tree, and I have these left over from a previous DIY. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these on here right in the front. Go ahead and cut it. I want it to lay just like that. Now I'll take this piece and put it over here. Okay, so now I'll add this piece here. Okay, so now I'm going to add this piece. I think like right in here. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I want to put something right here in the center. Let's see if I can find a large stone. Okay, like I said, I want to put something right in the center. And here I have some little glitter balls that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So I think I'll put like 3 of them right in the center. And look, here's the cool thing. They come in different sizes. Let's put one here. And maybe put the little baby one right in the front. Okay, just like that. Isn't it cute? I'm going to look for another set of beads to put across here just to give it a more finished look. And before I wasn't going to light this up, but I think I will now because the lights will make it even more attractive. So I'll use the heat from my glue gun to make a hole in the back of the ornament. So now I'll go ahead and take my string lights and I'm going to just wrap them around this container just to get a spiral. So now I'll go ahead and remove this and turn the lights on. And just thread it through the hole. And now I'll take this and just glue it right in the back of here. Okay, just like so. Now, that's what it looks like with the lights. You can choose to have it with or without the lights. But in my opinion, the lights really make it pop more. So I'll go ahead and put this on display and let you guys see what it looks like. And as promised, here's my gorgeous display ornament made from items that I picked up at Dollar Tree. And it goes perfectly with the first 2 display ornaments that I DIY'd before. Okay, everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.